Hello everyone, here we are on the 2nd of January 2020 and it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we're making a trip around the Clearview house. A lot of changes have been done since the last time we were up there. A lot of rafters have been put up and some plywood on the floor upstairs. Like that might be another living space up on top of the garage. It might be for the in-laws when they get there. Who knows? Whatever, there's another video for you to look at. And the usual, down in the comment section, there'll be a link to get you back to the last time we were flying around up there. The weather today is overcast. Not too breezy, just a light breeze, and temperatures are in the mid to upper 30s. Have a good day, everyone, and we'll catch you later. Goodbye.